Now after 3 minutes, let's open it and take out the excess.
What?
Careful. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Be careful.
You're gonna remove the excess water,
Then,
and
when
then
you remove all of the water, we're gonna put
you're gonna put it there.
There and slime it like this, Daddy. Like this.
Okay.
This, so the Play-Doh is soft. It's slimy.
Slimy.
Look, my hands are all pink and slimy.
Yeah.
Wow, it's so slimy.
And then after
Now-
that, what's next?
Wash our hands.
You're gonna wash your hands, and then what are you gonna do with the Play-Doh?
Play it.
Play it?
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay, no, not yet. You have to put it back in the container, and then put it in the
Refrigerator.
refrigerator
For 15 minutes.
for how many minutes?
15 minutes.
15 minutes. Good job.
Wait! I need this on.
Alright, but it's so slimy.
Okay, you have to put it in the container now.
Wow, so slimy. Wait, there's still more. Eee.
Put it now. And then
Wash.
Wash
Let's
Hands.
and then you close it and put it in the
refrigerator.
for how many minutes again?
15 minutes.
Open the
Yay!
Okay, good job.
Somebody open the tap.
Now wash your hands first.
Yeah!
There.
Full of pink.
Wash our hands.
Put it in the freezer.
Alright, let's go. First of all, let's wash our hands.
I will do it.
And then
There's not any bubbles.
okay, while you're washing your hand, Ate's gonna put it in the freezer because she needs to put it now.
For 15 minutes.
Then we're gonna wait for 15 minutes.
The counter clock.